will show you how to use the mixer with pump in this video. Before you start the machine, you should use this control to set up the hydraulic legs and connect the water cooling system. Connect in hole with the water pump and out with the water pump line. Connect the water pipeline with that input hole. Then you set this time is for the water supplying time. Usually we set it 30, 36 or 37. And turn this button to automatic. When you start the machine, you press engine start first and turn this through up until the RPM to 250. And turn this lubrication switch open. Then you come here to check whether the hydraulic pump is working. This switch is control for the hydraulic oil pump. This for stop time, this for pumping oil time. Usually we set it for 1 minute. And then you can make this to panel. So you can control the machine with this remote control. This one is for lifting the hopper. Press this. This is the supplying mixer. When you press this one and you set the 37 seconds. After 37 seconds, the water supply will stop. And you can make the mixer and the water supplying at the same time. And if there are any material sticking in the hopper, you can press the mixing vibration. So the vibration motor on the hopper will vibrating to shake the material down. After discharging, you press this to make the hopper go downstairs. And you press this discharging, so the concrete will discharging from the mixing drum to the pumping hopper. And press pump, the pump will start to work. If you want to stop the machine, you should press the pump stop. Or you can turn it to remote. Or you can press this one and then you press this one. If you want to clean the machine, you can turn this one to scroll, so the water will supply all the time to wash the mixing drum, and you can pump the water out. until the water is clean.